Monday, March 25. We can wait for the publication of the Consumer Price Index of Singapore by 7 a.m. at the beginning of next week. It reflects the average percentage change in the price of a fixed basket of consumer goods and services purchased by the state's population for the reporting period compared to a year ago. The index growth may have a positive impact on the quotations of the Singapore dollar. At 4 p.m., the United States will release information on new home sales. These statistics reflect the absolute volume of home sales in this state in monetary terms in the reporting month. The calculation considers new single-family homes sold. This statistic does not include apartment buildings. An increase in the indicator may favorably affect the dollar's quotations. Tuesday, March 26. By 2:30 p.m., the United States will report on core durable goods orders. These are goods whose useful life exceeds 3 or more years, machinery, equipment, etc. The calculation excludes the products of vehicle manufacturers. The indicator's growth may have a positive impact on dollar quotes. Already at 4 p.m., the same state will report the Consumer Confidence Index, the level of confidence in the stability of the country's economy. It is based on data from a monthly survey of about 30 households and calculated by the Conference Board, a non-profit research organization. The growth of the index above the forecast may cause upward short-term volatility of the dollar. Wednesday, March 27. Financial players will learn the Bank of Sweden's interest rate decision at 10:30 a.m. on Wednesday. It is among the most important events affecting the Swedish krona's quotes. The regulator can reduce the interest rate if necessary to increase inflation to the target level, and vice versa if it exceeds the target level. By 4:30 p.m., the United States will disclose changes in crude oil inventories, a metric included in the Energy Information Administration's weekly report. An increase in crude oil inventories in warehouses in the United States indicates either a decrease in demand for raw materials or an increase in production. This harms world oil prices, but the price change is short-lived. Thursday, March 28. On the penultimate trading day by 2:30 a.m., Australia will announce retail sales, the change in turnover from sales of goods at retail outlets in the reporting quarter compared to last year. If retail sales growth is slowing, consumers have lowered their spending levels. This could lead to a decline in economic activity in the country and negatively impact the Australian dollar. Also, at 9 a.m., BIUC will discuss GDP. The indicator reflects the market price of all final products produced by all resident enterprises in the country during the reporting quarter compared to the previous one. Its growth means the economy is expanding. Therefore, an increase in GDP may positively affect the pound sterling quotes. Friday, March 29. At 1:50 a.m. on Friday, the market's attention will be focused on the land of the rising sun. So, first, it will announce its retail sales, the total volume of sales of goods and services for the reporting period compared with the previous one. The indicator has high volatility and is calculated taking into account seasonal adjustment. Its growth may have a positive impact on the Japanese yen quotes. At the same time, Japan will report on industrial production. The report reflects data on all manufacturing sectors in Japan, including industry, mining, and energy. Industrial output growth may favorably affect the Japanese yen's quotations. In addition, next month's production plan provides a quick insight into trends in manufacturing activity.